started in your YouTube journey. So first of all, I want to know in the comments as you guys are coming in, say hey, let me know where it is you're coming in from. Smash the like button, smash that heart button, and smash that share button with anybody on your team because they're going to want to get started on YouTube. So first of all, let me first share with you my story on how I got started on YouTube because I think it'll be really, really helpful for so many of you when you're thinking about, okay, 2025 is coming up in just a few short weeks, right? Can you believe we're like 2 weeks away from 2025? Like, that's insane. 2025 is a few weeks away. I need to know what am I going to do to move my needle, to build my business to the next level. I've got big goals that I want to crush, right? You've got these ideas, right? And so you're like, okay, what am I going to do? Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get started on YouTube and you're not going to let YouTube scare you. All right. If you've been scared of YouTube before, drop the word scared in the comments. Okay. Now, so when I first got started, oh my gosh, it's been several years already at this point. It's probably been 6 or 7 years that I got started on YouTube. I was really, really nervous. I was like, there is no way that I can do YouTube. That is really scary. So I moved over and I started over on Pinterest. Okay. And I was like, okay, hey Jen, how are you, Coop? What's up? All right. So I started over on Facebook and I was not getting any traction. I was not getting pushed out. I started doing Facebook ads. That wasn't working. Nothing on Facebook was working for me. So I was like, okay, I'm going to do something different. I'm not going to be a sheep and follow the herd because all network marketers are on Facebook. I'm going to do something different. And so I actually got started on Pinterest. And I was like, I'm going to build on Pinterest. And so I started to build on Pinterest. I started to dive all in on all things Pinterest. Now, again, this was 6 or 7 years ago. But what Pinterest is at its core is it's a search engine like YouTube. We'll go there in a second. But it is a search engine, but it's more of a blogging search engine, okay? And so I was like, paying somebody to write my blog post for me. Legit, paying somebody to write my blog post for me because I absolutely hate to write, okay? So I've got YouTube over here, I've got Facebook over here. If you guys are coming in, say hey, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite social media platform? So it was with the help of my husband putting the nudge in my ear and a good friend of mine, Nadia Melton, who put the nudge in my ear, and they said, Julie, you are the video girl. Why are you not on YouTube? And I was like, oh, no, YouTube, that's like really scary. Well, let me tell you, I was like, okay, I'll do anything. I'll try anything once, okay? So I posted my first video up on YouTube, and about 2 or 3 weeks later, I got my first sale. Random person got a text message from my company. It said, so-and-so is a new customer of yours. And I was like, oh, great. My Pinterest is working. This is amazing. My Pinterest is working. And then I got another one, and I got another one, and I got another one. And I noticed that my YouTube videos were going up and up and up and up. And I was like, holy shit. Oh my God. This is not from Pinterest. This is from YouTube. You guys, fast forward. I've recruited hundreds of people in my business, all because of YouTube. I rebuilt my business and sold up to $17,000 a month in personal sales, all because of YouTube. It is truly a network marketer's dream come true, okay? But I also understand that a lot of you are like me, where I was 6 or 7 years ago, and you're like, okay, how do I get started on YouTube, okay? So first of all, drop the word YouTube if you want my masterclass that I have on YouTube. I will make sure that you get my free masterclass, my free training on all things YouTube, because I can't cover everything over here. So just drop the word YouTube and I will make sure that you get the link, okay? But first of all, the first thing that you have to understand at its core is that YouTube and YouTube is a search engine optimized platform. SEO, it stands for search engine optimization, right? SEO. That's what it stands for at its core, okay? What I love about it is it's putting you in front of people that are ready to buy. So my YouTube channel, you might go on my YouTube channel and I am just shy of 10,000 followers after building for so long, okay? So I've been building a long time and I don't have that many followers, but it's a well-oiled machine that has been able to generate me hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. And I kid you not when I say that, because it's well targeted, okay? So the one thing that you have to realize is that you don't have to have a massive following on YouTube in order to be successful like you do on Facebook or Instagram. That's a social media platform, because it's an SEO platform, search engine optimization. And what that really means is that you are giving it the keywords, whether it be your company, your flagship product, the affiliate company that you're with. It doesn't matter, the course that you want to create. You want to make sure, Austin says pretty eyes, thank you very much. And definitely, Austin, you're over on YouTube, so you've got to check the link in my bio. You'll find it there. There's a masterclass for you. I can get you the link afterwards, okay? But basically, what happens is you are showing up in front of red hot buyers. Their wallets are out because they're already doing the research. So when you are on Facebook or when you're on Instagram, what you're doing is called interruption marketing, okay? You are trying to interrupt the scroll, the feed, so to speak, and say, hey, look at me. I've got something to sell you. I've got something, you want to join my team. I've got something like that, right? And you're trying to interrupt them. But with search engine, they're actually searching for what it is you have to offer. And so their wallets are out, they're ready to buy. They're already in the research phase. So it's very, very different. So the number one thing that you need to realize that in order to get started on YouTube is that you've got to realize that you're actually doing things very differently, right? You are not interrupting the scroll. You are doing search engine optimization. And so I want you to remember there are two really good websites that I recommend in order to figure out what it is people are searching for. Because what they're searching for is what you want to make sure that you are optimized for. So there's one website called Ubersuggest, UberSuggest.com. Type in your company's name, your company's flagship product, and you're immediately gonna find out what it is people are searching for, okay? Then you're gonna go and make that video. So you're kind of reverse engineering. Instead of making a video about what you think you wanna make it, you wanna make a video about what people are actually searching for. It makes a huge difference, okay? So you're gonna find out there's Ubersuggest, and then there's another one that I love called Answer the Public. If somebody wants to put that in the comments, that would be really helpful for everybody else, okay? So the first thing that you wanna realize is that it's a search engine. The second thing you want to realize when you're getting started on YouTube is that you've got to start doing some market research and figuring out what people are searching for. Once you figure out what people are searching for, then you're on tip number 3, which is create the content, okay? Now, what I love about YouTube is you don't need to be building on YouTube every single day like you do on social media platforms, okay? I put out one very well-crafted, high-quality video every single week, and yes, I said week, over on YouTube, okay? It has been the key. So you put out one well-crafted video every single week that is between 8 to 10 minutes long. Somebody put that in the comment, 8 to 10 minutes. Put that in the comments below. So that you guys can help each other out. But again, if you want my masterclass, drop the word YouTube in the comments, and I will make sure that you get the link to my YouTube masterclass that I've done on all things YouTube, where I dive deep into how to get started over on YouTube. It has been a true game changer for my business, okay? So with that being said, let me know what questions you have, right? YouTube is a long-term game, okay? It is like I call like an insurance, it's an insurance plan. It's not like TikTok where you post out one video and the chances of you going viral are there. That's probably realistically not going to happen. But what it is it's a search engine, and so your videos don't get lost in the algorithm abyss. As long as they're well optimized, it's what people are searching for, you are going to be able to find amazing videos that are giving you views for years. And yes, I said years at a time. If you were to go and look and see like the history of your YouTube videos, you're gonna find that a lot of these videos that you've watched are pretty old, right? They're not like within the last hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, like the lives you see over here. So within about an hour over here, this live is probably gonna get pushed down to the abyss of all things, who knows, right? And it's gonna be gone. But over on YouTube, I don't have to worry about that. My video is going to get views on autopilot for months and years to come. So I'm working smarter and not harder when I'm building a business over on YouTube, okay? So what do I suggest that you do? I suggest you take one SEO platform like YouTube or Pinterest. If you're a writer, definitely make sure that you are in an SEO platform like YouTube or Pinterest, and then make sure you're building on a social media platform, and you're gonna marry the process. What do I mean? I send people from my YouTube to my social media so that I can connect and build that like, know, and trust factor. I send people from my Facebook, my Instagram over to my YouTube, and then it's kind of like this seamless way of doing things. All right, so guys, I hope that this was helpful. Hashtag value in the comments if this was helpful. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm happy to answer them, and drop the word YouTube if you want my free masterclass. All right, this is going to be my last video that I have made in 2024 for you guys, because I am taking off for the next several weeks, and I will be back after the first of the year, probably that 14th of January, because we're going out of town. And I am just going to be relaxing and de-stressing and doing all of the personal development and self-help that is needed to heal our souls so that we can crush 2025. All right, guys, I love you all. Have an amazing day. Hashtag value in the comments if this was helpful. And I hope you guys have an incredible holiday season. 2025 is going to be an insane year for all of us. I'm manifesting it for us now. I hope you guys have an incredible day. Bye, guys.